Miles.
His name is Miles.
Miles.
What are you about to do right now?
I'm about to sing you guys a little song, a little bit of Mike Jackson, you know, kick it off
He's
right.
Michael
about to sing
Jackson.
Michael Jackson. Well, Miles, we got 101,000 people in here watching you.
Michael Jackson.
Are you ready to get it started?
Michael Jackson.
Let's
go.
do it. I'm ready. Take my headphones off.
We're listening.
1, 2, 3, and.
You never make me stay, so take your weight off me.
Whoa.
Hold on.
Wow. Wow.
Miles is going crazy.
Miles.
Is going crazy.
Miles.
You want me to start
Hold
over?
on. We're going to let you start again. Go ahead again. You got it.
Okay.
Go ahead again. You got it.
1, 2.
You never make me stay, so take your weight off me. I know you every move, so won't you just let me be? I've been your times before, but I was too blind to see that you seduce every man. This time you won't seduce me. You say that's okay, baby, do what you please. I've got this to one. I understand that you need. She looked me deep in the eyes, touching me so the stars. She said there's no turning back. Got me in the eyes, stated I
Miles. Wow.
Hold on. 1 second. 1 second, Miles. 1 second. Timberland said you got something. Timberland just said you got something.
Wow.
Thank you.
Wow.
Special.
Wow.
Somebody get him a record deal.
Michael Jackson.
He is special. He is
Thank you, man.
special. Put your
Oh my
Instagram
gosh.
up, Miles. What is your Instagram? We're going to write it in the comments. We need you to sing one more time before we get any further.
Okay. My
What is your-
Instagram's
what
at
is your Instagram?
Miles Music _. I just put it at the bottom. At
I'm
Miles
sorry,
Music _.
the comments go so fast on my screen that I can't say it. Can you please spell it out?
Okay. MILES music _.
Miles Music _
Miles Music _
Yeah.
I just posted it, just pinned it.
Miles Music.
Thank you.
It one more time before you get out of here. It was sounding
Same song?
Amazing.
Same song?
Whatever you want to do. You got
Switch it up.
116,000 people in here watching you right now.
Miles.
Miles Music.
Miles Music.
Let's go.
Girl, I must warn you. I'm seeing something strange in my mind. The situation is serious. Let's hear it cause we're running out of time.
He's serious.
She's so fine. She'll drive you right out of your mind. Instead of high. Beware, she's scheming. She'll make you think you're dreaming. You'll fall in love and you'll be screaming. Desire is stopping me out of my mind. That's why it's hard for me to find.
Miles Music. Miles Music.
Thank you, man.
Miles
God bless you, bro.
Music. Miles, right now we are gonna put you in the finalist position.
Thank you.
We're gonna call you back soon. Tiger has
All right.
just dropped the fire emojis. Tiger
Thank you,
has
guys.
just dropped the fire emojis.
Wow.
Timberland is saying, "Wow,
Wow.
you got something, kid. We
Thank
see
you.
ya."
Wow.
No
Miles
contest.
Music. We're gonna keep him pinned.
No contest.
Music.
Miles Music.
Miles Music.
No
To
contest.
all of my people